topic today is Avogadro's law and equation of state. This will be the second part of our gas law. And don't forget, in our previous topic, we discussed about Boyle's law, Charles' law, and Precious law, which is also called Gay-Lussac law. So today we are going to just compare two things: the volume occupied, then the amount of substance, or number of mole in the container. Now it's very simple to understand. It's very clear. You see that when you have certain container, you put certain amount of substance there. The moment you increase the number of substance, if temperature and pressure are kept constant, what will happen is the volume occupied by that particular substance will also increase. So to make it simpler, we are going to use these diagrams. If you look at the first diagram, so let's say we have 6 mole or 6 moles there. Then we increase the number of mole here in this place by 3 moles. So if you look at it very well, the volume occupied also increased. So the same thing applicable here. We increase this also, then the volume occupied is also what? Increased. So in summary, this one shows that when you increase the amount of substance in a given container, the volume automatically will also increase. So when you increase volume, you are increasing the what? Number of mole. When you increase the number of substance, you are increasing volume occupied. This one shows that volume and number of mole, they are what? Directly related, as we have it in what? Charles' law and Precious law. Now let's express it mathematically. You see that this one made that V volume very directly as what? Number of mole. Therefore, V, that is volume, is equal to Kn. So make this K the subject of formula. Therefore, K is equal to V over N. And as we normally do, when you have constant like this, you have V1, N1 over N1. N1 is equal to V2 over N2. So this is just the summary of Avogadro's law. Let's go and derive equation of state using general gas law. Now, from our general gas equation that we did in our last video, we have PV over T we said is constant, that is equal to K. But this time around, we are going to make the number of mole as variable. Therefore, PV over T will be varying with what? Number of mole. So automatically this one gives us PV over T is equal to Kn. Then the constant under this general gas law is called gas constant, which is represented with what? R. Therefore we have PV over T is equal to Rn. Then when you cross multiply, you are going to have PV is equal to nRT, and this is called equation of state. This is called equation of state, where P is pressure, V is equal to volume, N number of mole or amount of substance, R gas constant, and T is what? Temperature. So this will be the summary of Avogadro's law and the equation of state. Now the next topic, inshallah, will be on calculation of gas law.